Home Remedies presents
Mix toothpaste with aloe vera gel for 9 surprising everyday uses. Hello and welcome. There are some remedies that look simple, but once you try them, you're shocked at how many things they can help with. One of those is the mixture of toothpaste and aloe vera gel. Toothpaste gives a cooling, cleansing effect. Aloe vera calms, hydrates, and protects your skin. When you mix them together, you get a gentle, refreshing paste that can be used for 9 surprising everyday purposes. From skin care to odor control to shine cleaning. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's dive into the benefits, how to make it, and the right way to use it safely. How to make the remedy. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon white toothpaste. Non-gel, non-whitening preferred. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Fresh or store-bought. Method: mix both in a small bowl. Stir until smooth and creamy. Use immediately for best effect. 9 surprising uses of toothpaste and aloe vera gel. Blackhead remover, nose only. Toothpaste helps loosen dirt, and aloe vera reduces irritation. How to use. Apply on nose for 3 minutes, scrub gently, rinse. Dark neck instant cleanup. Helps brighten and refresh the surface instantly. How to use. Apply for 2 minutes, wipe with a warm towel. Remove underarm odor. Temporary use. Toothpaste neutralizes odor. Aloe soothes the skin. How to use. Apply on underarms for 2 minutes, rinse completely. Hand and nail cleanser. Removes stains and brightens nails. How to use. Scrub hands lightly and wash off. Reduce oiliness on T-zone. Controls greasiness on forehead, chin, and nose. How to use. Apply only on oily spots for 1 to 2 minutes. Soothes mild itching, surface only. Aloe vera cools the skin instantly. How to use. Apply a tiny amount to the area and wash after 2 minutes. Foot odor freshener. Helps clean feet and reduce smell from sweat. How to use. Scrub feet for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse. Brighten dark elbows. The mixture gently exfoliates and softens skin. How to use. Apply for 2 to 3 minutes, wash off, moisturize. Clean jewelry, non-gold items. Works well on silver and artificial jewelry. How to use. Rub gently with a brush and wipe clean. Important safety guidelines. Do not use on full face, only target areas. Avoid sensitive skin, active acne, rashes, or open cuts. Not for daily use, only 2 to 3 times a week. Always patch test first. Do not use whitening toothpaste, it's too harsh. Avoid eyes and mouth. So this is the magic of mixing toothpaste with aloe vera gel. 2 simple ingredients that you already have at home, and 9 surprising uses for everyday problems. Just remember to use this mixture safely and only on small areas. If you enjoyed this remedy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Home remedies don't need to be complicated, just clever.